What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your combination 360 HEPA and carbon filter by Dyson for your Dyson TP04 tower fan. Now, before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. A couple of things I should mention before we begin the video is that this new Combi filter by Dyson is backwards compatible, which means that this can fit into my TP04 tower fan, but there are other Dyson fans out there where this filter is actually the standard required filter that you need to replace with your fan. But because I have a TP04 tower fan, usually it requires for you to install the carbon filter first, which is this inner layer, like right here, and then the HEPA filter you pretty much install within the shroud. So that won't be necessary because I'm going to be using this filter, which is going to be replacing the carbon and the HEPA filter. To begin installation, make sure the fan is completely powered off and disconnected from the wall outlet. Then you're going to remove your filter shroud, which is this piece right here at the bottom of the fan. You're going to take your filter and then you're going to align the circular arrow with the circle right here. And once you do, just apply a little bit of pressure and the filter is going to go in just like this, and you just push in until you hear that click, and it's going to look like this. Once you confirm that and there's nothing coming apart, you just simply align the half of the shroud with the bottom half of the fan, and you just push in until you hear that click, and then you do the same thing with the other one. Once you installed the filters, you need to reset the carbon and HEPA filters. Now, there's two ways you can do that. You can do that through the Dyson Link app or physically through the remote right here. I'm going to show you both ways. So if you're doing it through the app, just go up here on the top right to your settings and then tap on machine settings. Once you do, you're going to scroll down to where you see the status of your filters right here, and you're going to press on filter management. And you're going to tap on reset filter life. You say continue and it's going to reset for you. I'm going to do the same thing with the carbon filter. Once you reset both the carbon and the HEPA filter, this is what you're going to see. It's 100% remaining life for the filters, both the carbon and HEPA. Now, if you prefer to reset the carbon and the HEPA filter using your remote, to reset the carbon filter, all you have to do is hold down the oscillation button until the countdown from 5 is completed. So as you can see, I'm holding it down now, and you're gonna let go once that countdown is completed and you see that check. You're all set and your carbon filter has been reset. Now, to reset your HEPA filter, all you have to do is hold the night mode button right here on the remote. Again, same exact thing until the countdown from 5 is completed and you see a check. Then you can let go and stop holding down. So there you go. So now the HEPA and the carbon filter are reset, whether you're using your remote or the Dyson Link app. So this was my video on how to replace your Dyson TP04 tower fans filter if you're using Dyson's 360 combination HEPA and carbon filter. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.